Are you a student looking to make real money online in 2025? Today, I'll show you the top 5 ways you can start earning right now. 1. Freelancing. Offer skills like writing, graphic design, or coding on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Even basic skills can earn you $50 to $200 per project. 2. Paid surveys. Websites like Swagbucks or Taluna pay you for your opinion. It's not huge money, but perfect for quick earnings. 3. Content creation. Start a YouTube channel, like I'm doing, or Instagram page. Over time, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. 4. Online tutoring. Teach subjects you know well through platforms like Chegg Tutors. You can earn $15 to $25 an hour easily. 5. Selling digital products. Create simple ebooks, study guides, or templates, and sell them on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. Which method are you going to try first? Comment below. And if you want more ways to earn while you learn, hit that subscribe button and join me on this journey.